Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. If you like them, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Now, we are in the beach area. I don't know what it's called, but I'm here. We have loads of slugs to grab, and we have few of crude oil here. This is the exact same place I'll be starting up with the basics. We need to manufacture plastic and rubber, but I still don't have everything because I need to speed up. Come on, I'm supposed to have. It's not a refinery. Yes, before you come here, grab enough items for 3 oil extractors at least and 4 refineries. For the beginning, we just need 1 oil extractor, is more than enough. What we'll do is we'll create 1 refinery to refine the crude oil. There is another recipe which is much better, but I'll be doing that in a little while. For now, I just need to manufacture some plastic. You see this recipe? These are the amazing ones. They just need the resin and the water that comes from creating residual fuel. I don't know why, but I'll start with the basics ones first. I'll start with crude oil. Although I'm setting it up, I think I'm missing something, I'm not sure. But for now, I'm just going to do regular recipe. For plastic, I need crude oil to create this fuel and polymer resin. Okay, yeah, this is the recipe. This is the proper way to do it. After this, we need polymer resin and water for this, and then same thing for rubber, which will be polymer resin and water to create rubber. I think I screwed up the recipe, but no worries, we'll fix it. Because I just need a little bit of items in the beginning and then I'll grab the big stuff. These things produce lots of stuff, so I need to get rid of those. Oh yeah, I also switched, as I said, the new recipe, water and limestone for concrete. Set up 1 plant for now, and I'll keep adding while I get rid of the old ones that I was using, which was using limestone and silicone. Need water from here. Drag the pipe up there. Powerful. How much power do we have right now? Let's plug this in first. Directly into the refinery. Okay, I changed the pipe, made it more a bit professional. Until we can find a better place for this thing. Which I'm pretty sure I won't be doing very early. It's going to take some time. Let's upgrade this a bit because it needs a lot of water. 240 will be enough to give me two refineries. I'm at 970, not bad. Pump to push the water up. Let's power it. We're good with the left. The maximum is 20, we're only doing 14. Power, and now we need water. Grab this, align it, pipe it. That's why I told you I'll be building again in a different area, maybe. But this one's still hitting the sand dunes, but anyways. Wow. It's facing the wrong way. Get rid of this. There you go. Bend this. Bend this. Trash this. Oh, come on. Trash it. And we have concrete for days. Okay, so I stretched some belts all the way from there to get me some plastic and rubber. I'll just put this here after the belt. I will be using smart splitters later on to separate them into different bins. Once I get my take, time for some upgrades. Okay, check this out. This is the best 2 recipe. 1 steel beam, and you get 260 screws. Power them up with power shortage and you got crazy number of screws. Let's get rid of this because I was using iron ingots to build. That was another recipe. Let's put a split in this one. Belt, and I'll attach it to the same belt that was hauling iron ingots. Put this here. Turn this, this, and plug it in. There you go. Now we wait for the iron ingots to run out. And just switch the screws. Module frame also running on screws. It makes more. Let's check out. Get rid of this, we don't need this. Screws coming in. Let's upload these. Just to advanced screws. There you go. 260 per minute. Let's see how it pops up. Boom, there it is. No more gaps. It's just flowing screws. Alright, next up we're back to the fuel base. See if we got another recipe. Fine, I'll take this one. Empty these out. This is my new setup. This is all going to be fuel and polymer resin being created. This will be the exit port for all the plastic and rubber. And those 2, 3, almost 4 I'll be doing. They'll be doing plastic and rubber. Until we start getting better recipes to increase both plastic and rubber and get ready for the fuel generation. This area takes a little bit of time compared to what we had before, but it's faster, it's easier. You just have to plan ahead. Right, so this is oil. I have 3 of them. I have 150 and I have 30 and 30. 30 or 75, so 75, 75 plus about 300 in total of crude oil until we get power shards in all 3 of them, and then I'll have 600, and later on according to requirements we'll get more of that stuff. Well, here you go. Oh, come on, where do you have to? Alright, let's go. Crude oil is in. Since it's a temporary setup, that's how I'm going to do it. All 4 plugged in. Plastic coming up and rubbers. And this fuel is what's going to run the generators. Let's get this.
Production amplifier unlocked. Every single manufacturing and smelting building will be backwards compatible with this new technology. These buildings can now have a summer sloop embedded to increase resource output without requiring more input, at the cost of greatly increased power consumption.
Flow cycles within flow cycles make explosions into temples into explosions into
upload it to
temples.
the system and then grab it
The
whenever I
spin
need.
sphere of woven
No
windows.
more going back and forth.
Each tiny body contains tinier bodies until the line layers fold into curves which folds into threads which weave the tapestry. A song of light and leaf and flower, a dance of matter clouds and...
I think they're trying to explain energy to matter conversion theory, but you do not need to understand it to do your job. I'll just mute them for you so you can continue your mission. I, however, will be taking notes. This is fascinating material.
High-speed connectors, loads of those as well. It sounds good to go.
Research completed.
It's a light
High-speed
switch,
connector
basically.
recipe unlocked. New Caterium research available. Power switch unlocked. Fixit is proud to announce that the power switch facilitates power grid management through the application of the very latest advances in on-off switch technology. Fixit. It's fun to have power. Smart Splitter unlocked. The Smart Splitter offers advanced settings that can improve conveyor belt logistics.
Yeah, I need to build these smoke that gives me.
Research completed. Smokeless powder recipe unlocked.
This
New sulfur research available
rifle.
for the development of high-end weaponry and ammunition.
Another hard drive. The recipe here. Launch this.
Milestone reached. The transportation of resources can reach new heights of efficiency. With the Mark IV belts and lifts, the truck, but even more importantly, your effort. Handling a large and complicated vehicle like the truck should come easy to a well-trained pioneer such as you. They are an obvious improvement over tractors concerning industrial purposes. Improvements for personal use were not measured.
See what items I have. I have to finish this and then jump to fuel. Petroleum power. I have all the items. Let's dump them here. 2, 3.
Milestone reached. Avoid the embarrassment of placing liquids in your pockets only for them to spread across your suit. Package and unpackage them with the packager. Packaging fluids allows them to be transported in your inventory, on conveyor belts, and by vehicles. For increased, non-pocket related fluid storage, you can now use the industrial fluid buffer.
And now we can use summer sleeps as a use doing the boosting. If we had summer sleeps, we get extra power. Almost doubles production. But because they're very low in resources, we have to use them very carefully. In the beginning, I'll use it on basic items that I need. Then later on, I'll go for the bigger ones, like computers, connectors, circuit boards. Very unique because they're very slow in production. Lots of them. Let's take care of this. And we have petroleum power.
Milestone reached. It is my honor and privilege to inform you that the fuel-powered generator, as well as the industrial fluid buffer, are now available. Due to a lack of gold in your sector, Caterium will serve as a suitable replacement to construct the fuel-powered generator. Your research into this element was valuable. In fact, you in particular are my most valuable pioneer, but don't tell the others I said that, it would be bad for morale.
So first I need to set up a platform. Let's do a quick boop so I can I'll do stairs for here. There you go. And raise the rest of the platform so I can align everything on top of this. There you go. Good for 2, maybe 4, but I'm going to do just 1 for now. Okay, let's put it here and then lock it and then align it. My plan is to do about 100 of these and then overclock all of them. That's going to be some serious power. Well, before we hit nuclear anyways. Plug in the pipe. There you go. What curve? Curve looks fine. Let's go to curve. Sorry. And we need a power source. And just a power connection. Okay, you can grab one from here, there, with a sharing port here somewhere. Let's see. Okay, this line should be fine, and there it is. Okay. It'll be right behind the generator. Prefer putting it in the middle because that's where the connecting point is as well. So let's line it up, bring it back, line it up on both sides. There you go. Back and connect. Generator is good to go. And grab a pipe from here. Drag it here. And there you go. It goes in there. Come on, what the hell? Let's do it again. Grab it, plug it, and let's see the generator turn on. Boom, there it is. And we're doing 1,800 watts. Now we overclock this thing and have 100 of these running at the same time. Let's see what recipe I have. We need rubber, no. This we need. Fine, we'll just take rubber for now. I have most of the recipes done. Just need some more items here and there. Next one we'll grab the rifle. For now, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And bye-bye.
Research completed. Polyester fabric recipe unlocked. Using polyethylene terephthalate, production of a lightweight and strong fabric can be automated. It has many of the properties of naturally sourced fabric and also amplifies body odor.